Good morning from the Central Washington Ag Museum. Today, the Tractor Club, the Central Washington Antique Farm Equipment Club, is taking a tractor ride down to Zillah. They're going to go into the parade, stop for lunch, enjoy some of the community events, then come back here to the Ag Museum. I'm going to tag along here and just take some pictures and some video along the way, and we can share with you guys. Okay, we made it to Zillah with the tractors, all but one. It's all along the side of the road, and we left a binder along the road too. Anyway, we're all lined up for the Zillah Community Parade. Anyway, this is probably it for us. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.